Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Peasant. Peasant means poor smallholder or agricultural laborer of low social status. For example, peasants left the farms to work in industry. Peasants left the farms to work in industry. Synonyms: agricultural worker, small farmer, rustic.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. The black majority were reduced to impoverished peasants and landless laborers. Now, repeat after me. The black majority were reduced to impoverished peasants and landless laborers. The second exempli. Noble, bourgeois, and peasant alike associated status with exemption from public demands. Now, repeat after me. Noble, bourgeois, and peasant alike associated status with exemption from public demands. The third exempli. In the countryside, peasants began organizing to seize land and to withhold rent. Now, repeat after me. In the countryside, peasants began organizing to seize land and to withhold rent.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
About 4,000 words are added to the dictionary each year.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.